Imagine a world painted with the vibrant hues of peacocks, the majestic strides of Arabian horses, and the stunning beauty of Siberian tigers. Yes, we're talking about the most beautiful animals on Earth. First, the peacock, a symbol of beauty and grace. Its iridescent tail feathers display a spectrum of colors that dazzle the eyes. Next, the Arabian horse. With its muscular build, high tail carriage, and an elegant arched neck, it's the epitome of equine beauty and strength. Finally, the Siberian tiger, an apex predator whose fiery orange coat and bold black stripes command attention and respect. These are just a few examples of the stunning beauty the animal kingdom has to offer. Remember, beauty is everywhere, especially in the wild.